Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV. Let's take a look at the all-new 290 BH from Prowler. You've got a nice tri-fold sofa here. The center console is going to drop down, providing you 2 cup holders. The entertainment center is directly across from where you're seated. Also, you're adjacent to the dining, so you're able to have cross conversation. You've got much larger windows than in years past from Prowler, and these windows actually open, so you'll get a lot of crosswind and you'll be very comfortable without relying on your AC. Sitting here in the dining area, I'm extremely comfortable. You have a lot of room here. This will, of course, at the end of your camping day, collapse down for a sleeping area for you and your guests. Prowler listened. These cabinets are larger than they were in years past. They have a nice glass insert, lightened color, neutral tones, so it looks great. You've got a solid surface countertop right here, no seams. One of the nice things that the Prowler team did was they incorporated not only pass-through HDMI, but also pass-through USB. If your little campers bring their PlayStation, for example, they can simply have their PlayStation right here, make their connection for the HDMI port, and it will come up through the television. If you're outside camping and enjoying the outdoors and you want to listen to music, you can simply hook up your smartphone, run it through this pass-through stereo system, and you would have your audio on the campsite. Talking about continued storage, so whether it's entertainment, whether it's just essential items, you have a lot more storage here than you ever did before from Prowler. Kitty corner to your entertainment center is your bunkhouse. This is where your thermostat is going to be connected. You're going to be provided a 30,000 BTU furnace. You've got an integrated ladder, very, very nice, able to get out of the way. And it's all about power. So when you're resting in the evening, this is when you're able to charge your smart devices or whatever you need to. You're gonna have a power source here, as well as down by the ladder. Throughout this entire coach, any of the nightshades you see, they're gonna be standard. If you're not bringing campers, the nice thing about having a bunkhouse, you have a lot of room for additional storage if it just turns into being a couple's coach with you and one other guest. Over here in the kitchen, the team has done a great job making an overhaul, starting out with this large 10.7 cubic foot residential style reefer. If you do want to go with the LP, if you're going to be going dry docking, just please check with your authorized dealer. Because this is on the slide, it might not exactly fit this cavity correctly, so please check with your authorized dealer. It's going to come standard with a microwave, 3-burner stove, and also a nice size oven. Surrounding the appliances is what's a really nice upgrade. This press countertop, there are no seams, very, very nice look. The thing that I like is a small feature, but I think it's aesthetically it's nice, is that they put a nice beveled soft edge here, so you're not going to hurt yourself when you're making your preparations for your guest. The biggest thing that Prowler wanted to deliver was giving you more storage. All of the cabinetry that you see, larger storage capacity than what Prowler has provided in years past with the same floor plan. So it's just nice to see so much additional storage come in for 2021. You also have a nice stainless steel double cavity sink, a lot more counter space as well. Because Prowler completely redesigned the exterior, you are going to see a true 60 by 80 queen bed, as you see here. This is why all of our authorized Prowler dealers throughout North America are so excited. We have a lot more room here in the master suite. On both sides of the queen size bed, not only do you have a nice little nightstand area, here where you're going to store all of your clothes, these are large enough to actually hold shirts that I would wear, like a 2XL. You also have lighting, but most importantly, there's a lot of campers that need to be able to utilize a CPAP machine when they're sleeping. Here, you're gonna have plugs and pass-through to run your hoses or your power cords when you need access to those. The last thing I'll say about the front of the coach is, again, you can never have enough storage. The Prowler team has listened and delivered by providing you a lot of storage under this 60 by 80 queen size bed.